Semiconductor cleaning processes are shifting away from harsh chemicals to ozone water for environment protection and sustainability. Manufacturers need cleaner ozone water and higher concentration to help increase yield. How can you improve cleaning process performance and yield using ozone water? GORE Ozonation modules provide the cleanest, bubble-free, highest concentration ozone water available on the market today. They are proven to provide consistent concentration and flow that are easy to control. They are installed inside an ozone water supply system. These modules consistently dissolve ozone gas into ultra-high pure water to generate ozone water. The dissolving mechanism is diffusion based on the difference in total gas pressure. The contactor between the ozone gas and ultra-high purity water is the EPTFE membrane. Their unique fluoropolymer construction ensures high cleanliness. The microporous EPTFE membrane tube ensures no particle contamination within ozone gas. Compare GORE's modules against the mechanical mixers to understand our advantages. The mechanical mixer directly injects ozone gas, which can cause potential bubbles. They have no filtration to remove potential particles. GORE's modules provide consistent concentration and flow compared to mechanical mixers' inconsistency due to water and gas pressure fluctuations. GORE Ozonation modules have been successfully used in cleaning tools for silicon wafers, semiconductors, flat panel displays, and photo masks. GORE's modules help you to reduce wafer defects, increase yield rate, reduce chemical consumption and waste treatment costs, ensure environmental protection compliance, and achieve sustainability goals. For more information, please contact us or visit our website at gore.com. Ozonation modules.